Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. I'm checking the weather here. So right now we have 5 degrees and we haven't gone long. I think we drove about 12 kilometers and we're heading towards Nice. Good job! And the temperature is at least 5 degrees higher there at this point.
Yeah, and this time we're going to the motorway.
Yeah, we're going on pay roads.
Yeah.
We're tired of this. We want to get out of France.
Yeah.
So, yeah, whatever it takes, we'll get to San Remo or in that area today. That's the goal. And in San Remo, it's a lot warmer and it's closer to the coast. So we are at a gas station having a croissant and a cup of tea.
And we also filled up our tank with fuel before we go. So, see you later. Is it okay, this one? See, I think, can you move a little bit, huh?
Move this before it goes wrong. You know what, I
tried 3 times and then they accepted it.
You have this, so you just put this on.
Yeah, I know, I did.
It worked.
I did 3 times.
And yeah, but you calm down.
And can you adjust my bike, please? Because I'm gonna pee also.
Honey, right there.
No.
Just, but with the ticket, take the ticket out. And you see here, with the ticket in also, you can just shove it in there and just drive the small piece quietly. And you have it right there. But don't keep it there.
Can you move my bike? Why? Because the people will kuan.
The kuan will too much.
The kuan will complain. Because I didn't park right.
My bike, so the kuan will stop doing the kuan.
Sige, I'm gonna pee also. Honey! You're not fixing my bike ba? My god, I have to do it myself. It's fine? Are you sure? Okay.
It's raining. We should clean this guy for him.
Desculpa. Vocês estão vindo de Portugal?
No, I'm from Denmark and she's from Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. Well, because I saw a couple in Portugal a week ago, and it's the same kind of motorcycle and the clothes.
Maybe it's us.
Maybe it was us.
Oh, we were there
Yeah.
Portugal.
Yeah.
We just
Well, we were at the same restaurant.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
At a beach.
Oh, the
Figueirinha.
beach. Oh,
Figueirinha
yeah.
Beach.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
It's an amazing coincidence.
it's it's us. We were there at Setúbal.
Setúbal, yeah.
Yeah.
I live here. Me and my family.
Oh, okay.
My daughter.
Yeah, that was us.
I love this KTM.
Yes, KTM.
The bicycles.
Yes.
I'm almost, maybe I will buy a bicycle.
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you.
Yeah.
Have a nice voyage. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another feel. Time is not on my mind, but then it's here.
Hey guys.
Oh, I love it when the love comes around.
We are here at
Mommy Yoko. No. Here where?
we are here in Italy. Finally, yay! Welcome to Italy. We finally made it here.
And it was raining up the hill.
Yeah, it's raining.
It's not a hill, huh?
It's a boondocks. We are here in the boondocks in Italy.
Boondocks.
Yeah, so
Nobody really knows what the boondocks are.
why am I so ugly in the GoPro?
You're always ugly.
Hi guys, good evening.
So here we go again. We tried these things a few times here with with different cameras. So now we're trying again. I can't see a thing. I'm still tired. A little bit stressed out. For good reason, by the way, because we just checked in on Airbnb here in this little, very small village, and
Up in a mountain.
very up close to the Mediterranean. I think about 2-3 kilometers uphill. And the special thing here is that you can't drive anything down to the house. You have to walk down the stairs with all your stuff. However, the place here is amazing. Unfortunately, we came here late. It's dark, we can't see anything, but I assume in the morning.
It's gonna be a fantastic view.
Yeah, I think so, because there's nothing in front of us, as far as I can. Huh?
Maybe it's a sea view.
We don't know. Anyway, but we are looking forward to see that tomorrow morning as a little icing on the cake. But this cake turned out to be some exercise this evening. My goodness! And
It was raining.
it was raining up the mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was raining as I was trying to find the place. I walked up.
We got lost many times.
I got lost.
On the road on the way here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Twice actually.
Twice, yeah.
We took the wrong because my GPS minimized on the phone in the rain, so I couldn't. Suddenly I couldn't see where we were supposed to go. Anyway, so yeah, we made the wrong turns a couple of times in the rain there, and then we couldn't really find it because I was trying to communicate with the host.
You want to sit together?
No, you're okay.
Really good.
All right. Oh, I have a bad back. If you didn't know. Oh. So. Anyway. Changing position, far away from my cup of tea. The view from the bed.
It's a mess now because our things are there.
Drying after being completely soaked, but it's okay. The equipment makes it easy for us because we are dry.
We are pretty impressed with the place. It's so clean and it's very clean and
nice furniture.
It's really good for a long term because they have everything for cooking and small refrigerator and
small kitchen you can see out there.
And it's fun.
It's small but really nice. I would say. I'm as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, maybe we should extend for a day or two. But yeah.
It's not really possible because
we have to. Yeah, we have to go.
Anyway, so we are here in Italy.
Yeah,
we crossed the border today. We managed to cross the border today, and
then some.
Yeah, and also today is a good day for us because we're not freezing that much. Because yesterday was really a mess. But it was tough. Yesterday.
This morning was cold. It was ice everywhere. This morning.
Still.
Yeah.
There's.
It was cold, but we didn't go very far. We just went on the bikes, went on the expressway or the motorway. Really did quite a lot of kilometers. We'll put the kilometers here also today.
Our target is to reach
San Remo,
but we are now in
No, we are beyond that. We are
Santorino. We are now in Santorino, I think.
No.
We are in Santorino.
We're way beyond it. We're beyond Genoa. We are Genoa. We passed at least another 80 kilometers.
Yeah, but the address here is Santorino.
Oh, that might be. I don't know. No, but this place here, I'll show you where the place is in the description. Just look it up there, and I'll put the link in. But we are beyond Genoa, because we talked about staying there, and this place was another 88 kilometers.
Yeah. But we're here.
Yeah. And we're happy with the place, except for the stairways.
Yeah. It's gonna be a hard work tomorrow.
Getting all the stuff up. Yeah. Anyway, let's film the stairways, carrying all the crap up tomorrow. My God, it's gonna be a circus, and we're gonna be tired. We're gonna be tired before we get driving tomorrow.
Another surprise. I mean, not surprise, but I really have this like a trauma with a narrow road. And then now it's like going up, and it's so narrow and
up the hill.
Oh my God! And I dropped my bike today. Good for me.
Yeah, and that was not even on a difficult road.
I was just. I think I had a bad start, and then I dropped my bike.
Yeah, you said you were out of balance before you really got started, and then you fell over. Yeah. And two guys came out of the cars
and helped me out
and helped lifting the bike before I got back there.
Yeah,
that was nice. That was okay.
Yeah,
but that's the gallantry of the Italians. They will do that, period. But they didn't know, of course, you were a woman, but they probably...
They didn't know.
By the time you start talking...
They were just surprised, like, I said thank you, and I said, are you okay? And I said, fine. So basically, when you reach Italy... Yeah. This tunnel is very common.
Tunnels all the time.
Tunnels all the time.
Tunnel.
Yeah.
But I think the roads we're going to take tomorrow is probably not quite that many, but there is many tunnels here. Period. So yeah, I think we're looking forward to drive here, right? Except for this narrow, very steep things. We'll try to avoid them until you get more experience. But we can't completely avoid it.
I am literally making my experience right now.
Yeah, you're building
because
on
I haven't been on training, like serious training, like long and preparation before this trip. This is basically my training and preparation at the same time.
You came into this incredibly inexperienced.
Yeah.
And just taking this on is admirable. I would say very admirable.
I'm so proud of us.
Yeah, I'm very proud of you.
Yeah, because we did it, and then
just jumping into
sixth day of driving.
Yeah, I don't know how many kilometers. I think we did almost 2,000.
2,000.
Almost 2,000. Yeah.
I have a hard time to start my day because I have anxiety. I'm always worried about the road.
Yeah, well, tomorrow morning, it's gonna be downhill.
Yeah.
But we will get better at it as we go along, I'm sure. At this point, I can't recommend that you go on a trip like this at winter time. I really can't. No.
And don't do camping, please.
Depends if you're prepared for that kind of camping in that temperature. It's fine.
Yeah.
That's our problem. We were not meant to go this way, and was not prepared for
But
it.
anyway, we're here. It's an adventure, and
absolutely.
we're not expecting that I still can't believe that we're doing it. Actually.
Trust me, I believe it because I can feel it.
Anyway, so good night for now.
Yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on that thingy down there, and the bell thing. Yeah. All the bell thingies.
Yeah, so you will be notified if we have a new upload.
Yeah. Or if you think it's crap, just give us a thumbs down. Just don't worry about it. Give us crap on the comments. Tell us how stupid we are and all these things. It's okay. I don't give a. No, it's okay. You can tell. We're probably not that clever anyway.
We are not even very comfortable and.
It doesn't matter. Just go for it. Prepared or not, just go for it. Anyway, all right.
Okay.
Thank you out there, and see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.